Hey guys, what's up? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I don't know how many people are still watching this. It's a boring ass Facebook page. Anyways, yes, I got things going on. Been a while since I made a video, but just had a lot going on here. Just lots of stuff going on. And so I'm still plugging away on the Buick here. I'm just trying to get, I had the crank in this 455 here before with a rope seal, and really wasn't liking that, so I got rid of that, and I got a neoprene seal here. Really hard to find this thing too. There was, got lucky and found one place around here that had one, but not cheap either. Anyways, this is not a direct fit. It has to be trimmed. You can see the metal there that's inside the seal is protruding. That's because I had to keep trimming this about 947 times so that it fits on here and on the cap. But I finally got it now. Looks good. Everything's good. And I got to take everything and take the bearings out, clean it again. And yeah, I got to clean up the crank over there again. And I still got to paint the heads. Those are already rebuilt, done. Pistons are ready. So yeah, I just got to go around and clean everything now and start putting things back together. And then Brad, I don't know if you're watching, but next time make sure all the, frost plugs are out of the motor before you put the new ones back in. Would be kind of nice. We don't want to hear a rattling noise when we're going down the road. So anyway, so this will be ready to go here soon, and I've been really giving her on a lot of things here the last couple weeks. Buick's all final primed and done. Door jambs around the trunk edge, everything, that's all ready to paint. I just got to sand now the quarters for final paint, or for get it into paint. It might be a touch-up, I don't know, but they look pretty good. Square body cab, I got the gold. I went with gold in the middle here, and it really offsets that copper color that I have. That's going to be going as the main color. This is ready to paint. Hopefully tomorrow I can get this painted. Probably would have had it done, but I got a little Honda in the booth. I did a small job on there. A little bit of paint work. But yeah, this thing is ready. A shitload of masking for a little bit of paint. That'll be the same with this Buick here. It's kind of hard to see, everything's covered, but yeah, once I'm done sanding the quarters and the car's all clean, I'm going to have to, there's going to be a lot of masking here, just to paint basically the quarters and the door jambs. And then the doors are pretty much ready to paint on the inside. Everything's final primed on the outside. Trunk lid, I got one more priming to do on there. It's already done on the inside. And then, so that's coming along real good. So all I'll have left after that is basically for sheet metal, it'll be just the two front fenders and the hood, which is a hell of a beast. I'm not going to do the hood until probably near the end, because I don't want to paint it and have it laying around. I don't want to have to move it when that thing's, painted and stuff. It's heavy. So that'll be the last thing there. And then yeah, here's the little Honda I just painted there this morning. It looks like $1 million. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Woo! So anyways, that's what I've been busy doing. Got some other stuff done too, like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, but yeah, I got my little plenum there for the exhaust for the booth there. I got to get this mounted and get some straight sections there so I can go out the wall. So I'm just using the shop fan right now to exhaust the paint fumes and stuff like that. But surely but slowly, surely but slowly. So yeah, there'll be a lot of painting going on here. We're Sunday today. It's the long weekend. So there'll be a lot of painting here every day, probably until the end of the week. They'll be painting every single day. You know, and then we got yeah, coming up this weekend, and then after that, what do we got here? Be the 3rd, be the 10th, yeah, and then after the following weekend will be the open house show and shine. So you guys better bloody well be here. You know who you are. So there you have it. Another boring video for you guys. Yeah, and this motor is just stock. We're not doing anything performance wise. It's going to be exactly pretty much what it was from the factory. And I mean, it's a big car. We're not drag racing this thing. It's just a cruiser. Not that this thing don't make enough torque, but so yeah, I think I'm going to start up my engine again here, just get motivated again. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to go back to work now. All right, bye.